Product launching tips. Launching your product is an exciting milestone, but getting it right is crucial for long-term success. In this video, I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to help you prepare, execute, and optimize your product launch. Let's turn your hard work into a profitable and lasting success. Pre-launch phase. Preparation is key to a smooth launch. Here are the essential steps to set the stage. 1. Ensure your product is ready. Double-check everything. For example, if you're launching an online store, have at least 30 high-quality products ready. If it's an ebook, make sure it's fully edited and proofread. 2. Test your website. Test links, payment systems, and checkout processes to avoid any glitches. Proofread all content, from product descriptions to sales pages. 3. Notify your payment provider. If you expect high sales volume, let your payment processor know to avoid interruptions. 4. Organize your mailing list. Use tools to gather and manage customer contact information seamlessly while staying privacy compliant. Launch day, it's go time. Launch day is all about execution and engagement. Here's how to make it count. 1. Be present and responsive. Monitor your website, payment systems, and customer inquiries closely. 2. Drive traffic to your launch. Use social media to remind your audience about your product. Run limited time offers or giveaways to boost engagement and sales. 3. Handle feedback promptly. Respond quickly to customer issues or refund requests to maintain trust and credibility. After the launch, building momentum. Once your launch is over, it's time to evaluate and build on your success. 1. Engage with your audience. Send a thank you email and ask for feedback. Use testimonials on your website and social media. 2. Analyze your data. Review sales figures and traffic sources to see what worked best. Use insights to refine your marketing strategies. 3. Stay connected. Continue engaging with your audience through newsletters and social media. Share updates, promote new products, and keep building those relationships. Here are some common questions about product launches. How do I know my product is ready? Make sure it meets customer expectations, has been thoroughly tested, and delivers on its promises. What should I do if there are technical issues? Stay calm, address the problem quickly, and communicate openly with your audience. How can I drive more traffic? Use social media campaigns, collaborate with influencers, and offer limited time promotions to create urgency. A successful product launch is just the beginning of your journey. By planning ahead, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving, you can create a thriving online business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on online business success. Let's make your launch unforgettable.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.